Basic principles of working in the system. Let's take a look at the basic principles of working with the Greendata platform. You can enter the system using the credentials specified during registration or issued by the system administrator. To log in, you must specify username and password. It is also possible to use domain authorization and log in via SSO. Next, we will consider the capabilities of the system for a user who is an application administrator or has the right to manage the application. When logging in, the user will have access to the start page, which contains the latest open object types, business processes, subject areas, and role model settings. We will get acquainted with each of these elements later. The current view is a system view. It can be configured according to the application tasks and user roles. The main workspace is dynamically changing. Its state and content will depend on which element is being configured. In addition to the main workspace, the system window also has a navigation bar and the main menu. Navigation panel contains a button for opening the main menu, information about the object that we use in the workspace, the ability to select the interface language, as well as access to the user profile for configuration. Profile configuration options are available for the user, such as specifying the full name, department, and other information, as well as password settings and visibility of menu items. Design settings and design tools are available only for application administrator. Besides, the user menu contains information about the current release of the Greendata platform. Menu item About. The main menu is located on the left side of the window, with the help of which the transition between the functional modules of the system is carried out. The composition of the main menu may vary depending on the user's role. All menu items are available to the administrator. The menu items are configurable and depend on the granted access rights of the user. For the application administrator, the main menu items are grouped in the administration section. The access control section provides information about existing application users and access groups with the ability to add new and edit existing ones. The access to objects menu item, the administrator can configure users' ability to access the work with certain data or objects of the system, that is, configure the access matrix. To create and work with the object data model, use the menu items located in the object management section. In addition to the ability to work with the object types that are available in the object type section, you can access subject areas, object algorithms, object registry, actions, and so on. At the current stage of getting familiar with the system, it is object management section and options located in it that will be important for us. The system conducts a full audit of all ongoing actions. You can get information about the actions that occurred in the system in the audit section and its child items. The information is grouped by key actions, user actions, changes made from the system, including data, updates to system objects, right settings, access masks, and access group settings. In the settings section, the possibilities for configuring the appearance of the system, its start pages, menus, and mobile view, as well as task scheduler settings are grouped. These settings allow you to customize the appearance of the system, as well as simplify the work of users in it. Creating and configuring new types of objects or changing existing settings is possible both on the current stand and on a separate one, designed for development and testing. A special GUF file or Greendata update file is used to transfer object types, settings, objects, business processes, and other system elements. The GUF are assembled and updates are installed in the Updates menu section. Other sections of the main menu are also used in the process of the system configuration. In the BPM section, there are options for configuring business processes, their deadlines, and the supervision metrics. In the Directory section, you can refer to system directory objects, which can significantly simplify the process of creating an object model. The Report section contains tools for building data sources, object-based and SQL query-based, and dashboards and reports based on them. Besides, this section contains a tool for the formation of e-documents. The Multivariative Analysis section presents tools for creating a multidimensional cube and OLAP representation of data based on it. In the Integration section, the administrator can create his own ETL tasks and analyze the protocols for launching integration tasks. News and task sections are user-defined. In them, users can view the task assigned to them as well as publish news, if this is provided by the user settings of the application. To simplify working with the main menu, it is recommended to use the search bar, which filters the displayed sections and menu items by name or keywords. The view of the main menu is dynamic and can be changed. The system has the ability to display the entire menu or only the icons of the sections. The menu view is controlled in the lower left corner of the window. The main menu can be pinned or unpinned to the left side of the window. To control the display of the menu, use the Pin button. To open the menu from the main workspace, use the 3-bar icon button in the upper left corner of the window. We have discussed the main interface elements for creating and configuring an object model and an application for users, application administrators.